Hey guys, so I'm on my way to Stunter One Bike Show in Belfield. Nothing guys, so stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Bye guys.
From me looking at my face, you see a elevation. Well, I say come Max and Glazer and Chief Federation. Strictly roots and culture play for nice station. Yo, yeah, yeah, me let it. This is why I'm hot. Before they want party, when they want to know the hot, cause I'm missing, cause you not missing. This is why I'm hot, cause I'm fly, cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. Saying nothing, I'm a trap. Just fix the road. Just fix the road. This is why it's hot. 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 Boy, you test the talent now. Yeah, play one song a little bit. This is why it's hot. This is why it's hot. This is why it's hot. Go on, you test the talent. This is why Level one DJ. Predator Boss. Linky Music Group 5. You understand? You understand? Oh, stop the crazy this stuff. Surely. You understand? You see? Oh, that's something actually was a little bit. Oi! Look at that. Kingston Finest. This man. Tell us the road where is the Predator Boss? You know who wants to start that show early, and that's something about DJ. I remember my bike show coming up. And the fella say, if this is the face, I want you want to change. Don't let it be. You change already. Hey, don't get my own bike nervous. Where are the bike bros? There's something about a long series. You don't know what you're finding on the boss. Yeah, man. Let me start that show you now. Run to the microphone. Run. Listen to this. Yeah, man.
Kingston finest there. Yeah, man, circle back. Dungarus. Watch it, Drift. Just pump shit back the bars and go on. Macaroni and something in my place, our part. Because when I say daylight, you can't live, you know. Remember, stunter one shot. Watch it, sit down, circle. Give it, come on. Yeah, man. One on two shots, man. Relax it, man, shit, man. Later on, there came a fat pussy girl. Yeah, yeah, man. Body, man. Circle for the ears. Yeah, man, relax, man. Run the glove now. Yeah, man. Let me see style with it. When is the fine stunters? When is the stunter one showing a man? Yeah, man, circle, man. Let's see how bad it is. Remember, I want every teacher to do this, you know. Remember, I want the bikers link up there, yeah. Remember, answer the region. Feel like there, but they come Dungarus. The whole team there. Fight stunter just in there. But this is fight stunter all. One of Candiville finest. Yeah, man, circle, man. Come that fuck. Touch my foot. Go down and take this off. We'll leave our trouble tonight. Watching our benefits primary school. Just relax, man. Just calm it down. Yeah, shit, man, general.
Dance up and dance. They don't see like that. Go the strap up with the arms. Six pack. I'm the straight up. We're not about the arms. We don't play with the design. In a this way of flies. Pull up on the bump. Push up on the scissors. Then I come from a large ones and two souls. Just condoms. The safety like pistols in both stands. Come on, we back on my buildings. For the road yard. Street lights and champagne and rifle and style. I heard my walk to the bike like that. Right, let's strike about it running. Let's go away from that.
It's your anniversary is here, and your man ain't acting right. So you gotta get down to me about the jump on your cell phone trying to catch a flight. You know one day straight, I'll be there for when you ready to go. When you at home and that's your man, so as you land, you say it's all me. Shitting on G when you might entertain, cause I'm in the one spot, I'm in the same. As I get on the bitch, I'm shooting the $100 Spanish change.
Strike on the one team reach from Westmoreland. What more no life? They will not tell them say I lead. Jesus Christ. What the bitch? Now what about the boy? Try up, relax. Alright, relax it on Jesse Ryan. Relax. Step off my bike. Why not? Look at this. Pillion round. Style of style. Best out of Galville. Calm your calm. Start your bike boy and show people the bad. Show them what you use down with your girl. Who them around with. Oi! Oi! Where's my bad brother there in the front of us, you know?
me see what you have, man. Let me see your body. Cut that fuck. Yeah, man. Run the world. Yeah, man. Style look rich, though. I want them your body and chest it. I want them your body and chest. But no fear, no. One by one, you know. Yeah, man. Watch the move. When I can't give you finest. This is one no fear. Watch the circle. Watch this. Yeah, man. Put your hands, man. Let me see your body. Let me see you relax. Yeah, man. Circle. Someone wants to talent, you know. Someone wants to save you. Yeah, man. Calm your calming. Hey, man. But give me some blood for video. Hey, man. Give me some cup. Yep. Round the round. Looking over. Relax. 1, 3, 6 me. Pickle your pickle. Cut that fuck. Right back inside me, man. What's it? Slow time.
Everybody drinking.
What's my soca Jesse? To the bar. Rock the bar. Rock the room. Rock. Rock it on that thing, man. Rock it. We don't really feel that Sunday yet. Cause my don't pass or start getting up. Remember I said I said they don't reach it. Big Trust they don't reach it. You understand? Father Kish, this car is anybody who you. The stunters and out and out. Run it back the boss. Rock it. Next year, we know I'm not a normal again. Last time we know you're my brother, I'm glad that day. You understand? It's never clear. What's up, brother? Yeah, man, the general, I'm fuck on the fuck in the bar. One father, go ahead, girl. You'll find a 50 cent pizza out the store down. You'll find a Sunday. And I love it. It's a hot dog girl. Normally you play that thing. But even when I'm seeing you play that yet. Where you go? Remember?
What you saying, yo?
youth here. What Dino? What sense to the best finest? Look on them youth here. What CD? Crossover when they put them boys. Look at this. Them youth here have talent. Them youth here have talent. Calm on the calm. Well relax. Well relax. Alright. Go on up the road to serve now. Look back. Why? You see the youth here? They call him Blackfoot. But they know what's a slippery. But, hey, don't get me over here. I'm going to start playing with you. Cross over boy and put them boy. Look on the youth here. Look on the youth here. What I want youth for them about a clover. Look like far place down a downtown. Downtown. They youth in an armor. How that little rush? When I grip in the island. Look on the youth here. Calm your calm. Where now? But the don't distract him. Watch the youth here. Then you can mark alone. See me! Love it like a bomb. Hope that's now we check them to look around there quick and fast. What about brother Blacks? Remember you tell me say you can't anything from foreign country, you know. I don't get me over ignorant. What are you? Select the final WhatsApp 19 right. Watch the youth here. Hold on, relax, let me see that youth first. Alright, see me now. Watch this. They put on a try, don't mess up. Look on the youth here. Balaclava. Outside Garrison. Look on the youth here. Young and bad. Calm on the calm. One black post. Jesus Christ. Great run. We don't want nobody to feel like you're lazy because you alone can't take the show. Believe. Start your mind. Now when you are nobody else can take the shot. Select the final answer and go on. What are you here? Crazy Ras. Crazy Ras. Crazy Ras. Crazy Ras. Jump asleep now on the bike, boy. Jump asleep. Well, relax. Tell me you can have no sex. I'm telling you, say over here, go crazy. Oi, hey, what? Come up with this. Let him up. Look on this. Again, one more time. Run that foot. Go on. Get it. That's what I. One crazy thing. Look what I do with you. Still the same now, no sense. Still the same I want to. One CD. One CD. Look at this. Calm your calm. Relax. Circle. You know, lucky you want to ride off a Jesse bike. That boy a show off. Look how your bike, boy. Look how the bike came on, because the rider look like him, but you know, because the bike came on flat for ride for a night. What CB? The youth have talent, man. Cross over one boy and put them, boy. I'm making girl them love you tonight. Well, relax, see them? Calm, you calm. But still tap. You can't line up a G60. If you line up a G60, me give me a baby mother tonight. Box the bike now. I'm making people them know say your body. One CD. Go on, go pop.